Good day, students. You're welcome to another economics class. I remain Mr. Emmanuel. In this class, we will be treating production possibility curve, what it means, and how to plot your production possibility curve. A production possibility curve is a curve or graph that shows different possible combinations of the production of two commodities, giving a level of production, and that all resources are effectively used. This curve shows you how much option you have in producing. So take for example that you have 10 bags of flour and 5 employees. Your production possibility curve will tell you how many bread you can produce when you're producing no cakes, and how much you can combine it till you're producing a number of cakes and no bread. Your production possibility curve is concave to the origin. What this means is that in this diagram, the curve is facing the origin. The origin is where you have 0. And all points along that curve shows the point of effective utilization of resources. So at any point shows different combinations where you are effectively using your resources. All the areas inside the curve that is marked by X signifies point of inefficiency or wastage. So if you are producing within this region, it means that you're not doing something right. And then areas outside the curve are production levels that cannot be achieved because of inadequate resources or inadequate technology. How do we prepare or plot our own production possibility curve? The production possibility curve, also known as the production possibility boundary or frontier, is plotted using data in a production possibility schedule or production possibility table. This table provides us with the data in plotting a production possibility curve. And in doing that, using this example, this table shows us different production combinations of food and machines in an economy. You have seen the number of machines that is produced when they are producing 3,500 tonnage of food. You see the number of machines produced when they produce 2,800, 2,000, 1,003, and 700. So to plot this, we are first going to put the scales on a graph. So we prepare a graph and put the scales 3005, 2008, 2000, down to 700, then 0. And then on the y-axis that represents for machines, we put the scales as well, starting from 60, 0, 60, 100, etc. Next is we dot the connections. Of course, when food is 3,500, machines is 0. So that is why our curve usually starts from the axis. It starts from one axis and ends at the other axis because the other variable is 0. So when you take notes of different points, when machines is 60, food is 2008. When machine is 100, you mark the point for food. And so when this is done, we connect these points and we have a curve. This curve shows us our production possibility curve for producing food and machines in our economy. Quite interesting. Thank you for your attention in this class. I do hope you've learned a lot. Have a nice time.